Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a personal loan using Credit Karma, quick and easy. First, go to creditkarma.com on your browser, sign up or log in to your account. You need to be logged in to see your loan options. At the top menu, click on Loans and select Personal Loans. Browse the list of loan offers tailored to your credit profile. You'll see options with estimated rates and terms. Click Find a Loan to explore more detailed offers. You might need to log in again to continue. Download the Credit Karma app for easier access and tracking from your phone. That's it. You're now ready to explore personal loan options through Credit Karma. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.